guys, so here's a quick unboxing of this product. As you can see, it came in this nice size box. This is super lightweight. I'm actually surprised of how light it is. And it came in pretty quick, about 2 days. Let's open this up to see what's inside. Pretty good packaging so far. What is this? Ooh, here we go. Sticker. Endless pursuit of performance through artistry. Chasing Jays. Now, first, we have these titanium nuts. Ooh, look at the color on these. Look at that, guys. That's awesome. As a disclaimer, we recommend handling your product with gloves as titanium is very sensitive to hand oil. To clean your parts, make sure they are cool to the touch. Wipe with Clorox wipes, then dry with microfiber towel. You could also mix a mild liquid soapy water, then rinse with clean water and dry with clean microfiber towel. It's a good thing that I'm wearing gloves so that I don't get my hand oils on this. This is actually going to go on the strut tower, or my strut bar. Has Chasing Jays logo on it and then titanium on the bottom, so that's pretty cool. That's gonna look super nice on the car. And you can see my order. They even wrote thank you on it. You can see the date right here, August 25th, 2023. Right now it is the 28th. So 3-day shipping, guys. We have the titanium strut tower nut kit, and then the Type R titanium engine coil cover. So you can see my total here, how much I paid. I paid a total of $229.77. The cover was only $179.88, and the strut tower nuts were only $36.88. So not bad, pretty good pricing, to be honest. Okay, here we go. This should be the engine cover. Oof, look at that, guys. I got the single line design. They also have dual line design, but I decided to go with this single. It looks really good. It even has like a little plaque right there on the bottom. Titanium nuts as well, titanium bolts. And then the same message right there. So obviously the first thing that you're gonna do is take off your stock engine cover. So this just uses a 10mm, and then I put an extension, just, you know, because this one right here is kind of deep. Stock engine bay cover. I mean, it looks good, but I want something else, you know? Look at this, guys. Look at that. That's freaking amazing. Wow. Looks awesome. This is what the back looks like. Nice and shiny. And I love it because it does kind of match the car a little bit. So that's amazing. That looks really nice. That's what it's gonna look like, pretty much. So this is the rest of the stuff right here. It looks to me we have some spacers here. They're all different sizes, so we're gonna figure out where these go. And then we have some titanium nuts as well. Super lightweight, and then they also have the Chasing Jays logo as well with the titanium. So yeah, again, they're all different sizes. I love this right here. As you can see, these are all different sizes. So we're gonna have to figure out where these go. I'm gonna start off with the longer one because obviously this goes with the long bolt. It also has the washer, so don't forget that. so that you don't scratch your titanium. So I'm just gonna insert it like that. So it looks like we have to remove this 10mm bolt right here. Next, since these two are the same size, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them right here and here. The black one should go here. So this is what it looks like, guys. Last but not least is we're gonna take this guy right here and stick it on. This actually goes right here. Perfect spot for this too. And I kind of wish that it goes on like that. That way it'll match. But it goes on like this, which is fine, you know. It still looks pretty nice. This right here is the aftermarket titanium. Look at that. Looks super nice. This is the stock. So which one would you guys rather have? Titanium or the stock? Obviously the titanium. So I'm gonna replace these nuts with these basically. After, then this is the before right here. So I removed this foam cover off of the fuel line cap, and this is what we're left off. It looks so much better. It just looked weird having this on like that with the titanium engine cover. But once I remove this, then it looks normal. Now they do make a part that goes over this that's also titanium, so I'm probably gonna get that in the future. I think it's like 80 bucks on their website, so I'm gonna have titanium there just so that I can match that. Here's an angle that nobody really shows you guys, but as you can see right there, it's kind of lifted up there. See, that's where I put the long bolt right there. Honestly, that Rampage intake would look so good paired with the titanium engine cover. Wow. It looks really nice. Especially this thing right here. I'm really liking it. It fits right in that little gap right here. So, and you get that Honda logo showing. What's up, Maxie boy? Hey, buddy boy. You're so cute, Max. You like that car, Maxie boy?